Hello, welcome to plumware form builder. The main objective of this video is to explain in detail how fast and how accurate and how easily the form with required validations, functionality, required fields, various field types, and the required links, the menus can be created in a span of a few minutes, if not in seconds. So let's target creating a demo module called my demo. So let us create a module called my demo. Yes. Now the module my demo is created. Let us just see the my demo module appearing here, and in that we will be creating an object called maybe x demo. So I created an object called xx demo. Now the object is ready and started working. Let us target creating a small CRM application. So we would be creating the name of the client. So name, we will be selecting word and say it is mandatory. We will select a normal control called text box. You will notice there are lots of controls available in the application, but we would be selecting the text box and I said add field. So immediately you will notice the client name has come and the field is there, and if I try to create a new field and see, it is required. That means the mandatory functionality has started working. So let me create my client 001. So I created a client called my client 001. That means the moment I create a field, the entire form is running. Now where is the form available? You can just see that the date, the my client 001 is already available here. So you can keep adding fields by fields, one by one, but for operational convenience we have given lot of templates called field sets. So obviously, since he is a client, he would be having an address and details. I just say add the field list called address. So you will notice as soon as we created that field list, it has created an address module with address, city, state, and zones and regions. That means the entire address set is available. In a matter of few seconds we are able to build the entire address set. And also, since he is a client, there will be definitely contact numbers. So let's create a contact number field set. So this contact number field set gives me the contact person. You will also notice an icon linked to LinkedIn and the email icon, the SMS icon, and the field set. Let's take our own data element, what we have created called my client. I go to my address and say I am creating some of the details, and I am selecting the required zones, and in the contact I am putting his name, title, and email ID is I am creating my own email ID and my own phone number. So please keep a note over here what exactly happens as and when we have created this. You will notice the entire data is up and running. It means now you can edit. You will see the address is filled up, contact is filled up. Now the speciality is you will notice that in the contact there is an email icon. The moment I click, I will be able to send an email. And similarly, I can also send a password. Sorry, I can also send an SMS immediately from here. So this makes life much easier and is a very simple phenomena you will notice. That means basically we have created a lot of field sets. Now it is very likely that we need a lot of functionalities or features. So what are those features here? You can have attachments. That means each client or a CRM client will definitely have lots of attachments. So let's say, okay, add this feature. That means the attachments feature is added. So then we have the contact. That means contact is nothing but, every client may have lots of staff working under him with whom you may have contacts. So I'm giving that feature also is added. So maybe we will have a concept called diary. That means you will be recording all the transactions that have happened every day. So we have created that also. So you will notice here we have field sets and here we have features. So let's say we will also have a photo also. So you will notice in a span of a few minutes, exactly to be precise in 6 minutes, the entire form is ready. Now let's see what exactly has happened to my demo. So this is my menu panel, and you will please keep your eyes over here and you will notice that entire demo set has come. You can see my demo here and XX demo. The entire file is ready. You will notice, and the contacts are ready. You can add a contact now. Say I just created, and you can have the phone number and various other details. So you will see the contact is up and running, and now there is attachments. I can add any attachment here. I will just say test attachment, and I can choose a small file, and I just save that, and you will see the attachment is up and running, and the attachment is over here. I can just click it up and see the attachment. Now we have also created what is called a, a diary entry. So you will see I am able to write the diary entry also. That is I want to write about maybe a subject is meeting went well today. So I can also have an attachment to that, and you will see that. So that means the form is ready, the fields are ready, various fields. Now at this juncture, maybe I decide that I wish to have a remarks field. It is a very simple phenomena. We will be able to add the field here. So let's try to add that. So we have the field definitions or the database definition. Okay, we can just go to there and say remarks. I want to have it para, and now I can add a field to my list, to my form. That means I'm taking the fields and I'm adding the form called the field called remarks, and this time I'm taking a control called para text area. So you'll see the moment you go for editing, you have the para text area, which is not editable as per the definition, and I am now making it editable. And you will see that now that I wish to move them, no, I want the name to be in the beginning, I can just drag this remarks over the name, and you will see my client name has has gone up. That means I'm able to define the validations, and there are various attributes that can be set for each of the field and column. Thank you. Now it's exactly 10.03 minutes. Thank you.